We can evaluate this. This is 2 sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is square root 3 by 2. These two get cancelled. It is square root 3 by 2. Square root 3, it can be written in the form 1 by 2 square root 3. This is rational, this is irrational. So product of rational and irrational is irrational. So correct answer is irrational number. A is correct option. Fraction is correct answer because we can see that 1 minus 2 minus 3, this answer will be different than 1 minus 2 minus 3. We can see that right hand side answer is 1 minus 2 is minus 1 minus 3, it will be minus 4. So both answers are different, so it means that subtraction is correct answer. So we can solve it very easily, that square root 18 by 72, it will be 18 cancels 72 by 4. So it will be 1 by 4 and finally 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is fraction, integer by integer is a rational number. So option A is correct. If AB belong to set of real number, then A plus B belong to real is called A, closure law, B, commutative law, C, associative law. D, distributive law. This law is called closure law with respect to addition. So correct answer is A. X positive and Y negative, then additive inverse of X minus iota Y lies in which quadrant? So options are first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant. So additive inverse, currently it is written X minus iota Y. Imaginary part is negative, but Y is negative in it. When Y is negative, it is actually written X plus iota Y. This lies in first quadrant, and its additive inverse will be minus X minus Y, because this is minus sign, and Y is negative, it means it is plus X plus iota Y. Its additive inverse is minus X minus Y, both are negative. This will lie in third quadrant. C is correct option. Plus B is square of modulus of, these are options. If we solve A, it is A plus B plus 0 iota. So real part is this, imaginary part is 0. Its modulus is real part square plus imaginary part square. Square of the modulus will be, this cannot be the answer. Modulus is real part square plus imaginary part square. They will become positive A and B. So if it is squared, root is removed, it becomes A plus B. So this is square of modulus of this complex number. C is correct option in this case. Z is equal to 4 plus 6 iota square. Then what Z modulus is? Option calculate it easily. It is z is equal to 4 minus 6, it will be, because iota square is minus 1, it will become minus 2. So it can be written minus 2 plus 0 iota. Then modulus is real part square plus imaginary part square. So this will be 4 and root of 4 is 2. So option D is correct here. If cos theta plus iota sin theta whole square is equal to x minus iota y, then what x square plus y square equals are? Can be solved easily. How can it be solved? Whole square is expanded. This is x minus iota y. Then this is required, it is square of modulus. So we calculate modulus. Modulus of this is real part square plus imaginary part square. This is also a complex number. Its modulus is real part square plus imaginary part square. So we know that whole square expanded, and minus 2ab comes out from here, minus 2 sine square cos square from here, plus 4 sine square cos square. These both will give us 2 sine square cos square, and these three will convert into whole square, sine square plus cos square whole square. So sine square plus cos square obviously is 1, 1 square is 1, answer is 1. So it can be followed and solved easily. Set of even prime natural numbers is, these are options: finite, empty set, singleton, infinite. So as we know that prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, so on. Only prime number which is even is 2. So it's a singleton set is correct answer. Next question is, if Z belongs to complex number set, then what Z product with Z conjugate equal to? Options are ZB minus ZC, Z square, D, Z mod square. So both, it can be simplified. So correct answer in this case is Z mod square. It is a theorem also, and we saw part 1. If Z is x plus iota y, what is its modulus? This implies its conjugate will be x minus iota y. Modulus is x square plus a y square, real part square plus imaginary part square. This implies Z modulus square will be, if we square both sides, then root will be removed, it will be x square plus iota y square. And product, it will be x square plus y square. And product of these two, Z conjugate obviously is x plus iota y multiplied by x minus iota y, will produce x square minus iota square y square, iota square minus 1, which will make x square plus y square. So both these quantities are equal. So one is Z mod square, the other is the product of these two.